Hello, this is Chris with CricketUsers.com, and I'm with Matt, better known on the forum as MRab himself. What we have in front of us is a Galaxy Nexus. This device actually came out in like December of 2011, and it was a really nice device. Of course, it was one of the first to come out with ice cream sandwich, or it was the first, right?
Was the first.
So obviously a lot of people probably wanted to get this device on Cricket Wireless, but we had one problem, is it uses a VIA chipset, and most of the phones that we work with use a Qualcomm chipset. So how'd you wind up getting around this?
A lot of reading on an XDA thread. Hours and hours, to say the least.
So he's dedicated his time to filtering a couple threads, or a bunch of threads, and ultimately we'll be able to piece together what you need to get this running on Cricket Wireless. You can see we just went to this page. We have 3G. Actually, I have it on my account right now, and apparently someone's been using my data, so we're actually tapped out on the data, so the speeds are a little bit slow. So whoever's on my freaking account, don't worry, we're going to change our phone number. Don't worry about that. Every month or so I'll be changing my phone number, because I already have like 4 service providers and I don't need this account. So enjoy that. As you can see, it's 12:55 at night. We're in Houston doing our little movie marathon here. Let's zoom in right there. Okay, HOU, what do you think that means? Yeah, it means we're in Houston. Alright, leapwireless.net. Of course, Cricket's parent company is Leap, and we are using their 3G data right now. You want to take us to the About screen?
Sure. So you just go ahead and hit Settings. Oh. Hit About Phone. Definitely a Galaxy Nexus. Running stock 4.04. Gonna hit the status right here. Using an EVDO Rev A connection. Mobile network's obviously connected. Just to show that this is no trickery or anything along those lines, we'll go ahead and load another web page. Let's see, let's just load up basic Google. We'll hit that up. Go ahead and hit the news, see what's going on in the world. And this is all done over a mobile EVDO connection. Like I said, the account's been ghosted, so we're over our 2.5 gig limit. It's definitely throttled at this point, so things may be faster.
Alright, so what PRL are we on right now?
45007. It was pulled from an over-the-air update about 2 days ago in Houston. Not sure how well it performs yet. We haven't really used it on any other device besides this one right here. We're used to running 45513. That's the main PRL that most folks use when we use Cricket Flash devices. But like I said, this one was pulled from over the air. It's definitely pulling signal. It's pulling in the EVDO connection, so seems to be working fairly well.
Here's the PRL right there. If you search that area code and exchange 512701 at areacodes.com, you can see that is owned by Cricket Communications. So pretty much this device works talk, text, internet, and what's this little application right here?
Something I've been working on for quite some time. Picture messaging for Cricket. It definitely works. We can go ahead and see here if you want to send a picture. Let's just do another one. Another test. We'll go test right here. Oh, not yes. Test. There we go. Attach the same picture we used last time. Oh, well, apparently we can't do that, so maybe we will capture a picture. Like so. There we go. It doesn't matter what the picture is. Go ahead and send that off. Should take a few minutes. Could take anywhere from 10 seconds to 2 minutes to get that lined up. Should send without issue. So we'll go ahead and wait that out, see what happens.
So basically, MMS is one of the hardest things to get working with a flash phone, and his application takes the guesswork really out of it completely. How much is one code?
If you're looking to unlock one device, it's going to be $5 per device. It's a relatively easy setup process. We're going to be putting a video out on how that works, how you can install it, and disable your stock messaging app, so on and so forth.
I think one of the great things about this app versus some of the other apps out there is that he's keeping it updated. So the Gingerbread version was actually based off of the Gingerbread messaging app. Same with ICS. And now that we have CyanogenMod 10 working for Galaxy devices, we're actually going to be testing out a Jelly Bean version. And if you need to flash to other carriers, he's actually made this to where when you first open the application up, in addition to asking for an unlock code, it's going to give you a choice between different carriers.
As of now, those carriers are obviously Cricket, Page Plus, Metro PCS, and for you folks out in Hawaii, I've also got Mobi PCS set up as well.
Alright, I'll go to the speed test, and like I said, this account is over its limit, and it is throttled. So for you guys that don't know what throttling does, I mean, it'll cut back your speeds a lot.
There it goes.
You can see our ping time was still relatively low. We got up to 400 some kbps and then it dropped down immediately. Hopefully this will reset tomorrow. So the only reason we're able to do these things is because of donations like you. That's what keeps our service up, our website online, and allows us the money to actually purchase these devices to test them out. Alright, as you can see here on the MMS app, it did send our picture out, and I did send one from another device, and there's my picture right there. So again, this is the Galaxy Nexus. This happens to be the Sprint version. You can also flash the Verizon version. We'll include some details in the tutorial. One of the things we did have to do to get 3G working is flash the version before the latest modem?
A few versions before. I believe it's radio version FC12 if I'm correct.
So basically he was able to figure that one out as well. So for more information about flashing devices to Cricket Wireless in general, please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, come visit cricketusers.com and like our Facebook page at facebook.com/cricketusers.